Yep, there he goes. Hey guys. I'm not Olivia, I'm Elizabeth, and today Olivia's sick. It's sad, it's so sad. She has the flu. Bless. I didn't catch it this time, so that's a good sign. I usually always catch whatever. Don't you know I'm about to play with you? Sorry. That's my dog. Today, I didn't have an idea for a video, so Would you not right now? Now he's peeing in the bushes. Fun. No, I decided I'd play with our dog. His name is RJ, which stands for Ruger Jr. I thought I'd play with him for a video because that would make my sister happy. Because she loves this dog, she hasn't got to go outside and play with him, so, you know, but she'll enjoy this. Let me turn around. There's his yard. Hang on. Okay. RJ! Please don't jump on me. Stay down. Stay down. I said stay down. Gosh, dang it. There you are. Come on, let's go. Right, where are you going? This way. You crazy puppy. Let me get your... Stay still for 1 second. I gotta get your toy. Go. Run, RJ, run for your life. Yeah. Dee-nee-nee-nee. All right, back to play. Come here, RJ. Run. You left your toy. Do you know that? Now I gotta go get it. Your toy's a little wet. You're so easily distracted. What's wrong? See another dog? Another squirrel? Another thing that needs to eat? Well, apparently, oh, he sees the truck. Great. And here we have the native RJ. In his natural, don't attack me. His natural habitat. I'm gonna get you. Come here. Why do you keep going over there? Gosh dang it. He has some food over there, like some meat. Would you not? And now he's eating. I hope you're enjoying your food. You know, if Olivia was out here, he'd be behaving and playing and all whatnot. And now we wait. Can you hear the sound of him chewing? It's so gross. He sounds like a dog chewing meat, which is what he is. So it makes sense. I'll give you a RJ room tour. So here's I don't know what that thing is. I think we cut meat on that or something. I don't know. Here's a bowl that he has that's turned upside down. And here's another bowl that he has that's filled with leaves. And here's his doghouse, and there's his hay. Nope, nothing in there. No other dog. Here's his water bowl with also some leaves in it, because there's a lot of leaves here and can't keep them out of his water. And here's his food bowl. Huh. Guess I better feed him. Hang on. Okay, so now you want to join me now that you know I'm leaving. Will you do that thing where you stick your head through the things? No, am I not special enough for that? Yeah, this dog lives off table scraps. How do you zoom in on this thing? I'm sorry, I can't figure out these new cameras. How do I zoom? Oh, that's just there. The wild RJ in his natural habitat. Oh, isn't he cute, you guys? Don't you love him? My sister does. Are you gonna do anything? I'm gonna stand. That's inappropriate. Stop it. Good boy. RJ! Do you see me? Look, it's like I'm grabbing him, sort of. I don't know. I wanted to do that cool thing where people like grab mountains or like hold the moon or something, you know what I mean? Because perspective. Now what are you doing now? Wow, you're so entertaining. Just so Now watch this. I'm sorry, no escapee for you today. I know you like to escape and run around our neighborhood. Not today. Alright, I'll come back in with you. If you promise to make entertainment. Come here. Come here, RJ. Come here. I love you. I love you. Here.
Saying you loved him. What happened to the German short-haired corner puppy?
Yeah, he doesn't like other dogs, so we're not gonna get another puppy until he's gone.
He's young. Let him get around.
Don't worry, we still love you. Yeah. Don't jump on me. How many times do I have to tell you not to jump on me, you little doggy? I can't even get your head. You're so wild. What's gotten into you? Well, I'm kidding. He's like this all the time. Would you? Ow! You're interested in my camera now, are you? Now get down. Stay. I beg a beach. You little wild animal. Do you guys think he's part bobcat? Part. Ow! Gosh, we need to trim your nails. Ow, this hurts. Ow. Would you get down? Maybe you're part fox. You little wild. But fox don't attack people, do they? You should know, you're part fox. I don't think he's part fox. I think he's just a wild little doggy. You want to play now? Why does the word play make you hungry? Because that's where your food is. You know that, right? You should know that because you've been eating for the last 5 minutes while I had the camera turned off. Why are cars? Just cars. Hey, RJ. Here. Do you see a squirrel? I think he sees a squirrel. There's a little squirrel dog. Would you stop that? In case you didn't know, he just peed on the fence. You wanna go stalk? You wanna go stalk Olivia? Go look in her window? Maybe. Okay, we'll do that then. He's just a little leaner. He likes to lean on you. Would you not? Stop jumping on me. Okay, now you've got my sleeve. Don't do that. Don't. Okay, that's enough. You're crazy. You are crazy. And now you're eating my hand. My sleeve is not a toy. So now you're calmed down. Now that the camera's rolling again. You want to stay calm for a second? Oh yeah, there you go. Do you need... I was wondering how long it would take for you to realize I wasn't there anymore. Oh. Did you just cough? Is that what you just did? Did you just cough? Are you getting sick, little boy? Are you catching the flu? The flu? The dog flu? Maybe? In conclusion, I have a cute dog. He doesn't know any tricks. He can't sit. Oh, he ran away. I was expecting him to be right here by my side, but he's not. He doesn't know any tricks, but he's a sweetheart, and he's really cute. Oh, there you are. Yeah, I want to pet you, but you're so far down. There you go. Olivia, I hope you feel better. Any final words, RJ? No? You don't want to be on the camera anymore? I know you're all watching just for him. Because he's a cutie. You might remember him from our yoga challenge. Look at him. Are you in frame? I can't tell. Probably not. Well, he's so cute. Will you do that again? No? Okay, never mind. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. It's just really my dog. This is basically every time I try to throw a toy to him, this is what happens. He just kind of... He's not into toys. He just wants to jump around, really. Well, thanks for watching. We love you guys so, so much. And...